Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what you need to improve to get successful in your life. So it's a pick a pile reading. So you need to choose one pile, whichever you are attracted towards. You can choose multiple piles also. If you are drawn to more than one, you can choose that also. So let's get into the reading. So what you need to improve or what improvement you need to do to get successful in your life. So pile number 1, who choose red pile, what you need to do or what you need to improve to get successful. So pile number 1, who choose red pile, so pile number 1, actually as a person you are a very loving person, very loving and caring and emotional person. You have a lot of emotions within you. So to get successful in your life, you need to share that love to others. You are very emotional, very loving, very caring, very compassionate person. The thing is, you are not sharing that love to others. That love, affection, kindness to other people. Maybe you are not showing at all. You have that cup of love within you. You have that emotions, that feelings. But the thing is, you are not showing it. You are showing yourself as a materialistic person, or you are holding that love, compassion, kindness to only you. You are not sharing that love, affection to others. So if you want to successful in your life, you start sharing that love. You just start giving that love, compassion, emotions to others, or try to understand others' feelings, emotions. Give some love. Show some kindness to the people. Actually, it is there within you, but the thing is, you are not sharing it to others. So, start sharing it. This is what you need to improve. You just improve. You just start sharing that love to others. People around you, or people within your family, neighbors, or friends. Just share your love, whatever emotions, caring nature. Share that love, compassion to other people. This you need to improve in your life. You are not sharing it. You are keeping it with yourself only. Those feelings or emotions, or caring nature, or kindness. You are a very kind person, but the thing is, you are not showing that kindness to others. Maybe you have your own issues, but to get successful in your life, you need to show some compassion or kindness to others also. So this is how you will get success in your life. If you are successful right now also, if you try to share the feelings, emotions, or try to understand others' feelings, emotions, then you will get more successful. You will be more succeed in your life. So this is what you need to improve. Just start sharing your love and compassion to others. So let's move on to pile number 2, who choose green pile. What you need to improve in your life to get successful. So pile number 2, you have a lot of choices in your life. It will make you confused actually. You have so many options in your life, and you are a person actually who like to have options. Your nature is having options in your life. You just don't satisfy with the single thing. You always look for more options. Whatever is there in your life, you are not. It is good also. You won't look to that thing. You try to look for more options. You are not settled for one thing, or you are not satisfied with one thing. You always look for more options in your life, whatever it is, whether it is a love, career, or your studies, friends, whatever the situation may be, or whatever the things in your life, you are not satisfied with the one thing. You always look for more options in the same area. If you are having one person who is affectionate, loving, you are not satisfied with that person. You won't be satisfied also. Actually, that is your nature. So you always look for something more, or you look for more options. In that way, you will get confused. You really don't know what exactly you need in your life. This is how you are not successful, I think, because you think that you have so many options, and you think that you are successful in your life because you have multiple options. Actually, the thing is, these multiple actions is multiple choices or options are ruining your success. It is killing your success. It is stopping you to become successful in your life. So the thing is, you need to stop looking for multiple options in your life. It is not bad actually. If we have one thing, definitely we will look for something more. No, we need to make ourselves better every day, day to day. Then only we will be successful for a long time. But the thing is, in your case, you are not making yourself better. You are just looking for another option, or you are just going for another option. Actually, the thing, you have already a lot of choices in your life, or options in your life. You need to choose it carefully. Once you choose it, you should make it better to keep this success for the long time. But the thing is, you won't take it, or you just keep keep that same thing as like that, and you go for, or you look for some other option. This is what killing your success, I think, actually, because you always will be in the confusion. You don't know what exactly make you successful in your life. There are plenty of options, whether it is a career or love, or in your personal life, or in any situation, in your studies also. There are plenty of options. The thing is, you are becoming confused about that. Which is right, which is wrong. Your whole day or half of the life you are thinking just about which is right, which is wrong, which is right, which is wrong. So if you have these multiple options, definitely you will get confused. You are not stick with one thing. So in this process, you are losing your success. I can say you are not at all successful also, because you think that if you think that you are successful in your life, in the only one way you are successful, that you have multiple options. That's it. If you have one proper job, one stable job which is giving you money, still you are not satisfied. You are looking for more options. You are looking for more options, or more chances, or more professional or jobs to achieve more money. You are not satisfied that job. So this is what you need to improve. You stop looking for the chances or options. Just see, if you get multiple choices also, think what makes you happy. If you find that answer, definitely you will get successful in your life. So first, you need to stop looking for multiple options. This is what you need to improve in your life. Stop looking for multiple options. Let's move on to pile number 3, which is yellow pile. What you need to improve to become successful in your life. Pile number 3. You need to end lot of things in your life. Actually, it is ended, but the thing is, you are not believing, or you are not ending. You always live in the past. You don't like to end the things. You are the person, by the nature, I think you are the person who lives in the past more than in the present or future. You always live in the past, or you always live in the pain. You just think about your past painful situations, and you always going through thinking about those situations. So you need to stop doing that. Stop thinking about the past things which made you painful, or the things which went wrong in your life in the past. Stop thinking about that. I cannot say that you need to forget, because some issues will be there, we cannot forget. But the thing is, we should not stick with it. We have to move on in your life. That is how we will move forward. The thing is, you don't like to move forward. You are resisting the change, or you are resisting that ending. You are always stick with that endings, or you just love to be in that pain. You just love to be thinking in that pain or painful situations, or whatever bad endings happen in your life. You are allowed to be in that situations. You are allowed to be in that thoughts. So this is what you need to change. You need to stop thinking about the things which is ended, or some relationships or friendships, or if you lost the job. Stop thinking about that. You need to stop thinking about those things which you lost. You need to think about the new things, new beginnings. What is there in front of you? What you can make, or which door you can choose. Whatever happened in the past is past. You should stop thinking about that. Close that door, the past door. Close that past door and look in front of you, the new doors. Look for the new doors, new openings, new beginnings, new people, new friendships. So new relationships. Think about those things. So this is what you need to improve in your life. Stop crying over about the spilled milk, or stop like something is dead in your life. The thing is, you are crying over that dead thing, or you are trying to just mourning over that same old dead thing. It is ended. You need to understand that. You should accept the truth. It is ended in your life. Whatever ended in your life, whatever bad things, bad situations, bad people, which are not good for your life actually, those are ended. You need to understand that, and you need to accept that. And you should look for new beginnings. Everyone is having new beginnings. If something is ending in our life, definitely there will be something new. So the thing is, you are not looking for that new beginnings. There may be a lot of new beginnings, but you are not at all interested to see or take that new opportunities. So stop doing that. Crying over that whatever situations have happened in your life or past things. Start looking at life in a new light. Looking for new friendships, new people, new opportunities. This is what you need to improve in your life to get successful. Let's move on to pile number 4, which is blue pile. What you need to improve to become successful in your life. Pile number 4. You are very much happy in your life. You are satisfied, content, you achieved everything in your life, and moreover, you are not crying for the things. The person in your nature is, you are not crying for the things which is not there or which is happened. You are the person who is living in the present moment, who want to enjoy in present moment. So whatever you have, you satisfied with that. You don't look for more things or whatever not there. You strive for new things, but the thing is, you don't cry or you don't feel sad for whatever not there. You fully satisfied and you feel gratitude towards the things what you have. This is your nature, I think. So you are very much happy. Wherever you are, whatever situation you have in your life, you are very much happy. You are very much satisfied or content in your life. So what you need to improve to get more successful is, I think already you are towards the success. You already achieved so many things. You are towards the success. There is one more step to get fully content or successful in your life. But you are not crying or not feeling sad or bad, or you are just thinking about that one more thing kind of thing, you have all 9 pentacles with you. So if you are satisfied with that 9 pentacles, actually 10 pentacles will make you fully completed, fully happiness, but you are not thinking about that one missing pentacles. Moreover, you are happy because you have that 9 pentacles with you. And definitely if you are continue with the same attitude, definitely you will get one more pentacle. You can add that one more pentacle and you will fulfilled in your life with that, with those 10 pentacles. So you are, I can say you are on the right path, and whatever you are doing in the right way. So just do it. Improving, I cannot say you need to improve anything because you are already in a good position and good mind, with a good mindset. So just continue whatever you are doing. In that way, definitely you will reach to that one pentacle also. So just do it, whatever you are doing. Keep going, don't stop, don't look back. I think you hold 9 pentacles means you came so far. So just don't give up. Definitely you are going to receive one more pentacle also. Your final accomplishment or whole happiness. Okay. So let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose? White pile. Sorry, pile number 5 I think. I said 5 or 4, whatever. So what you need to improve in your life to become successful? So pile number 5, white pile. I think you always look for, you can ask the choices, but the thing is, so pile number 5, who choose white pile, you need to party more. To get successful, you need to meet more people. You need to come out of your hermit position or loneliness or solitude. Come out of it and make new friends, go to parties, enjoy your life. I think you are the person right now that you are introvert, I can say. So you are the person who don't like partying, meeting with people. Maybe you are going out and meeting with people also, you are not enjoying it. You are not interested in those things actually. So you don't like to meet people, interact people, having fun with people, your friends or relatives, parties, attending parties. You don't like all those things, I think. If you do also, you are doing it very forcefully, not openly. So this is your nature. It is kind of introvert nature, I can say. Who don't like to meet people, who don't like to be in the group, or who want to be alone. So you need to improve yourself in a way that you should go out, meet people, make friendships, make network, which will help you in your career life or personal life. Have friends, have fun. Become a little bit more playful. You are not playful. Become a little bit more playful. Have fun, enjoy life. Whatever it is there in your life right now, enjoy the life, present moment. I can say present moment, yeah. The moment, enjoy every moment of your life. So you are not enjoying right now. So start doing it. So this is how you will become successful. So you need to go out, meet people, make friendships, have parties. So this is what makes you successful, or this is will help you to become successful in your life. So if you have friends, network, so they will help you to do some other things. They will help you to achieve your goals. So they will help you to look for more opportunities, grab more opportunities. So this network will help you to accomplish your goals. This is how you will become successful. So you need to improve that. If you are an introvert, I cannot say that go out immediately and make a number of friends, because introverts means they will hesitate to go out and mingle with people. So but slowly, at least slowly make friends. Try to go out, try to meet with people, not large number of group of members, at least small 3 to 4 people. Make new friendships, make new network in your career, professional life also. Try to make new network, create a network, because those people, those friendships will help you in your career also, in your personal life as well as career. So that will ultimately help you to get successful. So you need to improve yourself, that you should cannot say you should become extrovert, but just go out and make friends. Not like extrovert, at least some 1 or 2 times go out and make friends who is trustworthy. If you make friendships and network, then only you know that who is trustworthy and who you can believe, and who can help you in your professional life or personal life. This is how you will come to know about the people, right? So first you need to go out, go out, have fun, play, enjoy your life, and make some new friends. These improvements will make you successful. These improvements will help you to become successful in your life. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. And for personal readings, you can contact me. You will find my details in description box.